All right, guys, to start this combination, you're gonna go into a hook. Make sure that you flex the toe so you can step up, basically, and we're gonna spin like this. When we get to here, we have to jump like that. It's a lot easier when you do it with a bit of speed. So watch, spin, catch, okay? Once you catch, you're gonna use the recoil to step back to this position, okay? So let's try that all together. Swing, turn, boom, boom. You see that? It's much easier doing it fast. You have to make the drive constant. One more time. Swing, turn, okay? Boom, boom. When you get to here, you're gonna jump like this, okay? So this leg going backwards is really important. You can grab here, you can grab here, you can grab there. Like, it doesn't matter, it's up to you, all right? You can also use this as a go down, just so you know, when you're here, you can use it as a go down as well. Now let's talk about the turn. So when I get from here, and I jump and I kick back this leg, it's very much like a Valdez, which you guys might have learned before. From here, going up. It's pretty much the same move. It's just from here, this leg kicks forward, this leg kicks back. Boom, bring this foot down and then place the knee down. Now you're gonna turn and use the knee as a pivot point. So it's kind of like a blender from here, like this. Blenders you're familiar with, hopefully. You get to here, and when you place this hand down, you flip up like this. So the first part of the combo is this one. Next part of the combo is this one. Okay. Third part of the combo, melt down like this. Make sure that you stay balanced. So when you come around to the front, instead of swinging out this way, which would make you travel, you can give yourself a little jump. So you will jump and land on this foot before you pretzel, okay? So now a pretzel, if you haven't learnt one, is basically an outside inwards pretzel because it goes to the outside first and comes in. We're gonna land on the toe, then the knee. Very important to place the knee down. So from here, after the spin, land toe, land knee, swing this leg out, lift the knee up to allow it to pass around, and now this leg is gonna blender underneath. When it gets to here, you're gonna bring the laces to the back of the knee, like so, and pass all the way through, okay? So we're gonna do that from the meltdown again. Slowly, meltdown, jump, round, trap, continue the pass under, and then once you're here again, in this position, you're gonna jump up again, like this, land on the toe, swing this leg all the way around, okay? This arm locks onto the knee and it will give it a nice little freeze. Make sure you don't point the toe and you flex it, like so. The foot that you're resting on can be flat. So now, it's a little techie to try and get that all together, but we're gonna do it anyway, from the meltdown. Meltdown, pretzel, blender, wrap, over, stop, okay? Learn this combination in sections, how I taught it to you. This way it would be much easier to reapply and rearrange. So you can do the first bit at the end, the last part at the beginning, and so on. But learn the combination in its entirety. First, try and learn it both directions. It's not that hard, both directions, because the material I've taught you are taken from patterns. So you can learn the meltdown on both sides, the pretzel to blender, both sides, the little wrap to this high pose at the end on both sides. So take your time, learn it, and that's it for this combo. I'll catch you on the next one.